Crabs, fish, lobsters, and prawns are delicacies all around the world. But with human activities like overfishing and the limited availability of resources, how will the aquaculture industry evolve and take on future challenges? What lies ahead in the future of the aquaculture industry? Hi, I'm Deshan and I'm a digital transformation consultant. I have a distinction from my master's degree in technology management and I also have a first class honors degree for my bachelor's in applied information technology. Well, this is the value that you're going to get from this course. First, let's understand the aquaculture industry, the types of aquaculture species, and the vital role it plays in society. Moving on, let's explore a few key insights of the aquaculture industry, things like world capture fisheries, employment in the fisheries, things like global fish stock status, global consumption, and global fishing fleet analysis. Next, we'll talk about a few challenges of the aquaculture industry, including growing demand for seafood, things like reducing production losses and increasing severe competition, as well as reducing the environmental impact of the aquaculture industry. Next, we're going to talk about a few opportunities for innovation. So how can we bring innovation into the aquaculture industry? After that, we're going to talk about something very interesting. It's called Industry 4.0. It's this whole new technological revolution that's changing the world right now. We're going to talk about what Industry 4.0 is and what the Industry 4.0 environment is. After that, we're going to talk about things like cyber-physical systems. So these are smart systems which are able to self-organize, self-optimize, and self-learn without any human intervention. We're going to talk about the characteristics of it, the benefits of it, as well as the drawbacks of it. And next, we're going to talk about the impact of Industry 4.0 on the aquaculture industry. So how will Industry 4.0 impact the aquaculture industry? So we can talk about things like genetic engineering and transparent supply chains, as well as the applications of things like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Next, we'll look at a real-world outlook. We're going to talk about a few innovative startups and businesses in the aquaculture industry who are really pushing the boundaries of innovation. After that, we're going to talk about the barriers of implementing Industry 4.0. So what's holding us back from implementing Industry 4.0? We're going to talk about things like high cost of implementation, privacy issues, lack of skilled staff, and things like that. And next, we're going to talk about the drivers of implementing Industry 4.0. So what's driving us to implement Industry 4.0 at an accelerated pace? Things like faster time to market, challenges in matching supply and demand, and things like that. Well, that's a brief snapshot of the course content which is lined up for you. So if you're a professional in the aquaculture industry, or if you are someone who is studying aquaculture industry, this course is just for you. Don't wait, jump right in. I'll see you on the first lecture.